Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Let's start lesson 7 today, that is types of writing. And in this chapter, we will discuss three different types of writing, that is biography, blurb, and review. Let's move towards the learning objectives of this lesson. By the end of this unit, I will be able to make short notes on each type of writing, and for that you have to understand very carefully, you have to listen very carefully about each type of writing, that is biography, blurb and review. So first we are going to discuss biography. What is biography? Bio means life and graphy means study. So basically biography means the study of one's life. A biography referred as bio is a complete information of person's life which is written by a third person. If I ask you to write the biography of any famous person or the person who is not famous or your favorite personality, so you are going to write the biography of that person. It gives a complete information about the person's life, include his birth, place, childhood, adulthood, youth, education, work, relationship and death, etc. For example, if I ask you to write um, something about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, so you are going to write the biography of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Next is blurb. Now what is blurb? Blurb is a short description of a book, movie or other product written for promotional purposes and appearing on the cover of the book or in an advertisement. For example, you must have seen at the backside of the novel, a short summary of the book is given. That is not a complete story or the complete description of that book, but some chunks are given, and with the help of the chunks you can understand what is this book about, or what is this product about, or what is this movie about. Is that clear? Now what is review? You must have written the book reviews. Remember that we have done it, we have already done it, that we used to write the book review when we read any book in the library. So what is review? A review is a short critical appraisal of something such as a book, film, play or restaurant that is written for a particular audience. You can typically find reviews published in newspapers and magazines as well as on dedicated review websites. You can write the movie reviews also. You can write the drama review also. Is that clear? What is review? And in the review you write some important thing, for example the title of the book, author of the book, the main characters of the book, or what is this book about, like that. Okay, now I'm going to read three different paragraphs: paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Okay, you are going to tell me what is this paragraph 1. Is it a biography, is it a blurb, or is it a review? So listen very carefully. And I can imagine farmer saying he doesn't care if no one else is willing to follow their example. He is still going to make these hikes. He insists, because if you say that 7 hours is too long to walk for two families of patients, you are saying that their lives matter less than some others. And the idea that some lives matter less is the root of all that's wrong with the world. So what do you think? What is this? It's a very short paragraph, but it is written by third person, right? So it is a biography. Now paragraph 2. For sheer storytelling, delight and pure adventure, Treasure Island has never been surpassed. From the moment young Jim Hawkins first encounters the sinister blind Pew at the Admiral Benbow end until the climatic battle for treasure on the tropic isle. The novel creates scenes and characters that have fired the imaginations of generations of readers. Written by superb prose stylist, a master of both action and atmosphere, the story centers upon the conflict between good and evil, but in this case, a particularly engaging form of evil. What is this? What do you think? What is this? It's a blurb. Clear? Next, paragraph 3. Since story is king in the world of fiction, it probably won't come as any surprise to learn that a book review for a novel will concentrate on how well the story was told. That said, book reviews in all genres follow the same basic formula that we discussed earlier. In these examples, you will be able to see how book reviewers on different platforms expertly intertwine the plot, summary and their personal opinions of the book to produce a clear, informative and concise review. What is this? It is already mentioned that it is a review. Let me tell you the difference between review and blurb. Blurb is written by the author at the backside of the book, while the review can be written by any person. Is that clear? Now, what is your task? Your task is that you are going to write a short paragraph on each type of story: biography, blurb and a review. Write a short paragraph of at least 5 to 6 lines each. Right? Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson.